इंडिया की लास्कीन हज़रत बहादुर शाह की दिल की आवाज़ को मैं यहाँ की खातिन सुनाता हूँ। लगता नहीं है दिल मेरा, लगता नहीं है दिल मेरा, उजड़े दयार में किसकी बनी है आलमी।
Okay, so day 2 in Yangon. We are going for a trip around different important places in around Yangon. Yesterday we already covered some of the main important heritage places in Yangon, especially the building. So today we'll be covering the market and some the lakes. Last resting place of Bahadur Shah Zafar, which is the most exciting one. And apart from that, we have obviously Shwegdan Pagoda. So keep watching. This is, I think, the new market that we have in Calcutta. It's called Bugyoke Market or something. I'm not being able to pronounce it properly. So this is basically a colonial market. You can easily make out by the design was built during the British era, and the shops sell from different products, from clothes to gems and jewelry. There are various types of products. And if you look at me, I'm all covered up. It's extremely sunny and extremely hot. I mean, my hands are completely getting burned up. So let's explore the market. These are the clothes section. You can buy lungis, different cloth material. Just look at the clothes. Isn't it wonderful? And here is the gem and jewelry section. This entire section is dedicated to the gem and jewelry. You see various shops selling gem and jewelry items. Very popular out here. People love to buy jewelry. Allah, घूरते घूरते ही हो जाएगा. So many different types of jewelry are being sold here. Apparently gold is cheaper out here because people donate gold to Buddha, so it's quite economical. And you have lots of Chinese tourists coming out here to buy jewelry and other items. These are different sections. I think this is a traditional medicine shop. Yes. So lots of traditional medicinal items. So we have here. This looks like one of the main gate. I think something would be written out here, but okay, it's in Myanmar language. I am not being able to read. It's extremely sunny, but still enjoying the Yangon sun, you can see. So we have now come to Shwegdan Pagoda, which I think is out there. It's the main pagoda. It's going under repair right now. Let's see where we can enter and how we can photograph it. It looks gorgeous. It's a grand. Please. This is what you call an architectural masterpiece, because unlike other pagodas which are quite small, this is gigantic. because it extends in all direction. Enjoy the view while I try to figure out which is the best place to get a good wide angle view of the entire pagoda so that I can photograph it. This is the grand view. It starts from here and there's the main pagoda out there. Let me take you around. For foreigners it takes around 10,000 chats to go inside, so I've decided not to go in because I don't want to spend that much. Instead invest that on something else, and of course the beauty of the pagoda is from the outside, so let's enjoy it from outside. We have arrived at the Mazar, where it's a mosque where Bahadur Shah Zafar is supposed to be buried. There are lots of controversies about it. I'm not so sure because some say it's not, some say yes it is. But nevertheless, when we have come to Yangon, we'll surely visit the grave of our Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar. My ultimate aim is to visit all the last resting places of the Mughal emperors. It's not that easy because one of them is in Pakistan and one of them is in Afghanistan. Pakistan still can be managed, but the Afghanistan one, that is extremely difficult because of different issues, be it visa, passport and other issues. So we go inside the Bahadur Shah Zafar Memorial Hall.
What in grand?
So this is supposedly to be the tomb of Bahadur Shah Zafar, but this is a symbolic one because the real body is buried downstairs. This is that of his wife and of his two granddaughter buried out here.
उस वक्त कई दीवार का दीपा किया, उसको दोबारा सजाकर लिखकर रखा है। ये आखिरी इंडिया की लास्कीन हजरत बहादुर शाह की दिल की आवाज़ को मैं यहाँ की खातिम सुनाता हूँ। लगता नहीं है दिल मेरा, लगता नहीं है दिल मेरा उजड़े दयार में, किसकी बनी है आलमे न पायदार में। बुलबुल को पांसु पांसे न सयाद से गिला, बुलबुल को पांसु पांसे न सयाद से गिला। किस्मत में कैद थी, किस्मत में कैद थी लेकी फसले बहार। कह दो इन हसरतों से कहीं और जा बसें, इतनी जगह कहाँ है दिले दागदार में। एक शाख गुल पे बैठ के, एक शाख गुल पे बैठ के बुलबुल है शादमान, कांठे पिछा दिए है दिले लालाजार में। उम्रे दराज मांग के लाए थे 4 दिन, उम्रे दराज मांग के लाए थे 4 दिन, दुआ रजू में कट गई 2 इंतजार में। दिन जिंदगी के खत्म हुए शाम हो गए, पहला के पाँव सोएंगे कुंज मज़ार में। कितना है बदनसीब ज़फ़र, कितना है बदनसीब ज़फ़र, दफन के लिए 2 गज़ ज़मीन भी मिल ना सकी कोवे यार। ये हज़रत बहादुर शाह की दिल की आवाज़। अस्सलाम।
We are going to the actual grave where Bahadur Shah Zafar's body was found. The one which is upstairs, as I said, is just a symbolic one. We are seeing this is the real body of Bahadur Shah Zafar where he is buried. The last Mughal emperor and the last emperor of the Great India. Greater India, I mean, which obviously comprises of Bangladesh, Pakistan, and also so this is where his head is, that side where his legs are. This is the place where his body was actually found. The upper one is just a replica, so this is the place. There is the king, the last emperor, Bahadur Shah Zafar.